our 3D printers is actually printing a keychain right now. And a lot of people ask me how 3D printers work. And basically they use plastic and they melt plastic to create an object, which is really cool. So unlike printers that you may have at home or school that print on paper, these actually print 3D objects. And so the plastic actually comes in a string and almost looks like a thread. And it's coiled up right in this white cartridge here. And then the plastic is threaded through this plastic tube right here. And then feeds through here. In here there's a heating jet that makes the plastic really, really hot so it melts it. And then it squeezes the plastic out from this metal nozzle right here. And then it will build one layer and then build another layer on top of that first layer. And it'll keep building until you actually have a 3D object. I'm printing a green keychain right now. A keychain like this, that's not very big at all, will take about 30 minutes to print. Bigger objects will of course take longer. We have some objects that take about 3 or 4 hours to print. But the really cool thing about this is what scientists are using 3D printing for. NASA wants to take 3D printers up into space because if you think about it, astronauts have to take a ton of stuff with them, but they can only take a certain amount of weight into space. Instead of taking a huge bag of tools, they could actually take a 3D printer and print the tools. Another crazy thing, biomedical engineers are actually using human stem cells to create organs and cartilage. So scientists have successfully created an ear. They're working on how to create more complex organs like livers, kidneys, and even hearts, so people wouldn't have to wait months and months for a heart transplant. I'm Sarah from The Most. Thanks for listening to my spiel about 3D printing, and I hope you come visit.